Hello guys, welcome to Aurex channel. Hello everyone. Welcome to Aurex channel. Let me switch on my camera. All right. So, welcome. All right. So, welcome everybody. So, welcome to the Aurex channel. So, let me do a quick introduction about myself. So, my name is Alan. So, I have been trading for around 7 years. So, yeah, I'm also a trader and I'm also an instructor or maybe you can call me coach. Yeah, I'm a instructor in Aurex. Okay, so if you guys have any question to ask, then please type in the chat box and then you can ask anything. Okay, you can ask anything you want. Okay, yeah. After that, if you want to join our community, then just let us know. Okay, yeah, just let us know. Then let me then so that then I can coach you in trading. Okay. Yeah, all right. Okay, so let me do a quick review on the about the yesterday movement. Okay. Okay, all right. So we can see that yesterday I got mentioned that yesterday 9:30 have the NFP has been announced, okay, at the 9:30. Okay, so you can see that why the gold price dropped yesterday. Okay, because that if you got watching the announcement, the MVP, and sorry, not the MVP, okay, the NFP to announce, then you can see that actually the NFP data is better than expected. Okay, better than expected. Okay, so let me show you the data. All right. Okay. So let's wait for a while. Yeah, I just show you my. So let me show you my screen. Okay. Okay. So guys, everybody can see it, right? All right. So you can see that, okay, actually, okay, the NFP data has been announced on, 9:30 p.m. Okay. So you can see that actually the actual data of the non-farm payroll and the employment rate is better than the expected. Okay. So what does it mean? Okay, what does it mean? Okay, it means that we can see that the number of people for the employment has already increased, and then for the unemployment rate has already decreased. Okay, so which means that we can say that the labor market in the United States or the US has become stronger. Okay, has become stronger. Okay, so which means that it is benefit the US dollar has been benefit. Okay, it is benefit for the US dollar. So it then because why this data will benefit the dollar, because the US market, the labor market becomes stronger. So which means that in the future, uh, the the Federal Reserve may increase their rate, okay, in the future. Okay, so which means that if the Federal Reserve will increase their rate in the future, so it will make the investors to shift their their money or their assets or their portfolio into the US dollar. So when they want to shift asset or their portfolio into the US dollar, what they will do, they will sell their risky asset. Okay, so which means that which means they will sell the gold or the silver or other riskier asset, something like EUR or the GBP USD. So that's why you can see that why a lot of the currency also drop, and then the gold also drop, and then the silver price also drop. Okay, because why they sell this kind of what we call the riskier asset, then they shift their money to the US dollar. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, it's around 9:30. Okay, you can see that the GBP USD drop at 9:30. You see, it dropped a lot. It dropped a lot. It's about 80. It's about 75 pips. Okay, 75 pips. Okay, for the euro. Okay, for the euro, it dropped around 67 pips. Okay, 67 pips. But I think that everybody is focused on the gold and the silver, because it is the volatility is higher, then you can, which means that you have a higher chance to earn money. Okay, you have a higher chance to earn money. Okay, is around here. Okay, all right, 9:30, right? Okay, 9:30. This candle is, it dropped around 650 pips. Okay, in NFP moment. Okay, it dropped around 655 pips. Okay, it is a lot. It is a lot. Okay, so because everybody sell gold, sell silver, they also investor also sell EUR and GBP also. Okay, so that you can see that the USD related pair, USD related pair uh rebound on yesterday. Okay, it's around here, I think. Yeah, this is the moment. Is the moment you can see that the USD JPY, it spikes up, and after that it drops again. Okay, because this is about the the JPY things. Okay, but if you look at the the DXY, if you look at the DXY, okay, it's around here. Okay, you can see that the US dollar spikes up on yesterday. Okay, after NFP has been announced. Hey, hi, everybody. Welcome to the Aurex YouTube channel. So if you like our channel, so please press the the subscribe button, and then press a like. Okay, to support us. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. If there is any question to ask, if there is any question to ask, then you may ask in the Telegram or in the chat box. Okay. All right. Oh, I just joined. What did I miss? Oh, actually, you didn't miss anything because I'm reviewing the last night NFP. Okay, I'm discussing that why gold price will drop, and then why why the US dollar will rise. Okay, because the NFP data is very good, better than expected. Did anybody trade NFP yesterday? Is it anybody trade NFP yesterday? All right. So we can okay. Although we can see that the price drop in that moment. Okay, at 9:30. Okay, but we can see that in the overall trend of the gold market. Okay, you can see that it still form the consolidation phase. Okay, here. Okay, you can see that price still form this kind of patterns. Okay, all right. So okay. Let me mark up my tool first. Okay, all right. So you can see that the price still forms a consolidation phase. Okay, which means that the price have a probability to goes up again. I mean in a bigger trend. Okay, in a bigger trend, because what? Because if we look at the 4 hour chart, okay, you can see that price still didn't break this kind of, didn't break this significant low in the 4 hour chart. So means that the price, if the price keep challenging this level, okay, means that the price has the probability to goes up again. Okay, so this is the main point, right? This is the main point. Because what? Because if the price really want to drop, right, it must break this, it must break through this, this support level. Okay, otherwise the price may form this kind of pattern. Okay, which kind of pattern? So we can see that the price form the higher low, right? So if the price want to goes up, it may retrace first, then go up again. So as long as the price didn't break this level, okay, white color. Okay, as long as the price didn't break this significant low in 4 hour chart, so I think that the overall trend, the overall trend for the gold still in the, still in the uptrend, because it has a higher probability to form. Yeah, it has a higher probability to form the uptrend structure. Okay, and actually the uptrend structure has already made, has already formed because what? Because this lower low. Yeah, I also mentioned this day. I also mentioned this day. Yeah, okay. White color is the best. Okay, white color is the best. And I want this square. I want blue color. Okay, blue color. All right, perfect. All right, so here's the significant high of 4 hour chart. Okay, so I mentioned all this day. I mentioned this all this day. Okay, I want to know what will happen next. I want to know how you want to know what will happen next. Okay, so let me do a quick analyze. Let me do the quick analyze. I love gold. Wow, everybody loves gold. First time join this live stream. Oh, welcome, Clarice. Welcome to the Aurex. So, did you subscribe to our Aurex YouTube channel? Okay, so okay, so we come back to this. So we come back to the chart. Okay, so we can see that price still form the consolidation in 1 hour chart and the 15-minute chart. Okay, so I think that in overall trend, if the price didn't break this low level, the significant low, or even this level, and you can see that there is the uptrend structure in 1 hour chart. Okay, in the 1 hour chart. Okay, where is the uptrend structure? You can see here is the higher low. Okay, so here is the higher low. Okay, so here's the higher low. So which means that the price, it has already formed an uptrend structure. So you can see that price also form uptrend. This one, what we call is the higher high. Okay, the price break the previous high, and then yesterday the price also break this, the higher high, the previous high. Okay, so it officially formed the uptrend structure. It is very obvious. I think it is very obvious to me. I think it's very obvious to me. So you can see that, okay, after, okay, although the NFP is better than expected, and it makes the price to drop, but you can see that the price didn't break this significant high. Is the significant low, didn't break this significant low, so which means that price has a higher chance to goes up. And then you can see that here is the potential higher low. Here is a potential higher low. Okay, white color is suitable for me. I like white color. Okay. All right. So yeah. So here is the potential. Here is the potential higher low. Okay. So with this information, I think that price still in the uptrend, even in the short term or the midterm trend, still in the uptrend. Okay, still in the uptrend. Okay, but if the price break breaks the significant low in the this level. Okay, if the price break this significant low in the 15 minutes, so I think that in the short term the price may drop. I think the price may drop in the short term. Okay, which means in the 5 minutes or the 5 minutes or in the 15 minutes. Okay, but for me, I think that in overall the price still in the uptrend. Okay, in the midterm, in the long term, in the mid run, in the long run, I think that the price still in the uptrend. But if you look at the 5 minutes, it is different story. Okay, so you can see that price form a consolidation phase. So because currently is the London session, right? Okay, so the liquidity of the market is lower than the US session. Okay, it's lower than the US session. Okay, so I think that I will treat I will if you are a short-term trader, like, so I think I will react on current situation. Okay, which means that it is very obvious it form a consolidation phase. So which means that what you can do is I trade within this range. Okay, I trade within this range. Okay, we forget this the significant high in the 1 hour first. So we look at the support and resistance in the 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. So you can see that here is the consolidation phase. So I think that I will trade within this range first. Okay, I will trade within this range first. Okay, so we can see that. Okay, so here is the price touch the resistance level and then goes down, and then it touched support level again, then rebound. Then the price didn't break this resistance level. Okay, the price didn't break this resistance level, so it gives me a signal that the price will retrace in short term. Okay, the price will retrace in short term. And also that if you look at the candlestick pattern, okay, here's forms the engulfing. Okay, if anybody know what is engulfing? let me ask some question, okay? Let me ask some question. Is anybody know what is engulfing? Hi, I'm new. Hi, welcome, welcome. It's okay to be new. I'm used to be a newbie also. I used to be a newbie also. I think we'll break the resistance. Mm, yeah, I think that is in the long run, in the mid run, in the long run, which means I think that is the later at the later moment. I think that the later moment will the price will break this resistance. But for currently, right? I think that the price will retrace first. Okay, the price may move within this, this within this range. Okay, it's around 5075, and then the price and the support level is the 5049. Okay, so I think I will trade within this range first. Okay, every day have a live session like this. Yeah, sure. Yeah, we conduct our live stream every day. So it is 2 hour. It is 2 hour per session, and we have three session in one day. Okay, but the live session is from Monday to Friday only. Yeah, but because the weekend, the market didn't open, the market didn't move, so we cannot trade at the weekend. Yeah, so we'll keep floating, sir. Keep floating. What does you mean that keep floating? Do you entry your trade already? Okay, so guys, I enter a trade. I enter a trade. I short gold. Okay, short gold. So I think the TP will be here. Okay, I think the TP will be here. The take profit will be here, and then it's around here. Yeah. Okay, here's the significant high in. Here's the significant high in 1 minute. Okay, in 1 minute. Okay. Can someone let me know? Is it every day having this? Cause I have things to do. Need to go out. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, you have the live session every day from Monday to Friday. But if you are busy, right, then you can contact my assistant to access to our the EA, because we also have the automation trading also. Yeah, if you are busy, then you can access to our this kind of the automation trading. Okay. So how to access it? Then you can contact my contact my assistant to learn to know more about it. Okay. If there is a live session, Grace will notify us here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct. Yeah, correct. We will not we will notify you guys before the live session start. Okay, before the live session begin. Okay. All right. So yeah, so currently I short gold. Okay. Will there be different topics every day? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, 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 yeah. Actually, yes. Because just now I'm sharing my thought about the NFP. So yeah, actually it we will try to give some new topic to you guys, because the market news is keep updating, every moment have different story. Okay, every moment have different story. Okay, so yeah, so we will look at it, then we will update. I will i will update you guys in the even the group chat and then live stream. Yeah. Okay. Or you guys want some extra topic. Actually, what topic you guys want to hear? Okay, what topic you guys want to listen? If there's if there's a lot of people want to listen about, maybe like you know the fundamental analysis or what. Yeah, we will try to make a we will try to present. Okay, we will try to present it to you guys. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Looks good. Sounds good. Looks good. Look at the one in chat. Okay. Okay. Let me enter one. Let me enter one more trade, yeah, guys. Let me enter one more trade. Okay. Oh, nice, guys. Very nice, guys. Is there anybody entry? Is there anybody enter already? What's your view on upcoming trend of crypto? Okay, about crypto, should we enter the trade too? Based on this one, you need to based on your risk management and this kind, a lot of things. Yeah. Okay. We don't provide signal. Actually, we don't provide signals, but we provide education. Yeah. But because the very important the it is a very important things that uh you need to know what you are doing. Yeah, you need to know what you are doing. So if you after after considering a lot of issues around, maybe like your risk management and your account size, the kind of things, then you think that you want to entry, then it's not a problem, because you need to be responsible. You need to be responsible about your account. Okay, guys, look nice. Okay, look nice. Okay, very nice. Guys, the price look nice. I close already, thanks sir. Yeah, you're welcome. Hey guys, instant profit. Instant profit, guys. Whoa, nice. Then I set the stop loss here. Oh man, guys, the price drop even more. Then I didn't sell it for one more time. I want to sell it one more time, but I think that later on the price will reverse again. And you can see that actually the price almost hit my take profit. So I think that I would not. I think that I would. I didn't. okay, let me adjust my take profit first. Okay, all right. So okay, so the price hit my the stop loss, but actually not stop loss because what? Because you can see the history there. Okay, you can see the history here. Okay, actually I'm profit. Okay, actually I'm profit. So it is about how to protect myself in trading. Okay, this is what I want to share to you guys. Okay, actually, if you do your trading right, actually you need to move your stop loss, and after the stop loss is beyond your entry price, right? It actually become a the break even point. Yeah, it's a break even point or even the safety pin. I call it safety pin. Yeah, because what? Because okay, let us look at the the MT5. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you guys. Okay, actually you can see that here's the arrow. Here's the arrow at entry. Okay, but just now I set my stop loss here. Okay, I set my stop loss here is around here. Okay, let me. Okay, but I set my stop loss here. Okay, I set my stop loss here because why? Because when the price hit my the stop loss, although I hit stop loss, but but you can see the result I profit. Okay, it's almost around it's around almost around 900 USD. Okay, it's around 900 USD. So it's very important. Yeah, it's a the technique to protect yourself and how can you gain the profit safely. Yeah. So this is what I do when I'm doing trading. So after the price really drop, I will move my SL to another level. If the price dropping, right? If the price keep dropping, then I can move my stop loss even more. Okay, and then I earn more. Okay. Yeah, this is what I do. Okay. Just sharing to you guys. Just share to you guys what I'm using, what technique I'm using. Okay, what technique I'm using. So quick 900 profit. Yeah, very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, so even though the price didn't hit my target, okay, but I think that is a is a quick profit. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, very nice. Is it anybody learn something? Did anybody learn something? Thanks. Oh yeah. Thank you, TP done. Hey. All right, all right. Okay or not, you guys? Okay or not? This kind of trading methods. Very good. Close a bit late, but still profit. Thanks. Yeah. Thanks. Welcome, welcome. You are welcome. Okay. If somebody entry the trade, right, you can send the result in the in the group. Okay, in the group. Okay, you can send the result. You can post the result in the group. Yeah. Let me know that you are profit. Okay. Let me know that you are profit, guys. It's an instant profit, man. Around around 5 minutes or 10 minutes. settle. Okay, so now what happened next? Okay, so you can see that, okay, you can see that, okay, the price drop, and then you can see that it forms a very long wick, very long wick. Okay, so this is the, this is a pattern of price reject this level. Okay, so but I think that the price may drop a bit more because what? Because I think that because the price didn't grab the liquidity here. Price didn't grab the liquidity here, and price didn't grab this liquidity here. So if the price really wants to rebound more, right? So I think that the price will grab this liquidity, grab the liquidity here and here. So after that, the price will rebound more. Because what? Because the big player wants to collect the, collect the orders, collects the orders from the market. So normally the big player wants, want us, okay, want us to stop loss, to be stopped out. Okay, so they can collect our order, then move the market. Okay, so guys, look at a 1 minute chart. Okay, so I think I will do a second round. I think I will enter second round for the short. Okay, and the stop loss I think will be here. Okay, no need too much. Okay, the stop loss, we place a stop loss here, then the second one is here. It's around 20 pips. Okay, 20 pips, but I need to see the reaction first. Okay, I need to I need to observe the reaction first. Oh, I missed it. Never mind. We look for another chance. Okay, look for another opportunity. We look for another opportunity. Guys, let me take a water break first. Okay, let me take a water break first. Then I will come back in around 5 minutes. Okay, guys, waiting for me. Okay, let me go for the water break. All right. Luckily, we didn't enter here. Okay, luckily we didn't enter here. Okay. All right. So give me 5 minutes. I will come back later. Okay. All right. So guys, I come back. I'm back. Okay. So what's next? For everybody profit. Damn. So can we open a new trade? After making a profit, I wait for the next trading signal. Because it's awesome. I get to learn make some money at the same time. Can I invite my friend? Can I how can I invite my friends to join? Oh yeah, you can just send the link to your friend. Then after that he or she can join already. Damn shit, did I miss something out? Yeah, you missed something, yeah. Yeah, you have already missed something. You are too late, brother. A bit late, not too late, okay? Yeah, a bit late. Same thing, I missed the signal. Yeah, you missed the signal. But I don't think this is a signal, guys. I'm just doing what I'm do. Yeah, I'm just doing what I do. Yeah, bro. Next time, please call me. You just join our community, then you can enjoy all these things. Okay. Yeah, just join our community, guys. Yes, just pay close attention to the group message. Yes, please. All right. Okay. Pay more attention. Okay. But I miss this too. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. We look at another chance. Okay. We look at another chance. Okay. All right. So let me see. So let me see. Okay, we forgot. Oh, you forget this. Okay, we forget this. Okay, then we delete this thing. Okay, this thing. No, no. Okay. Okay. So now we just treat it within this. Within this range only. So what's next? For me, I will look at the same also. I think that I will short. I'm enter short again. Okay, because what? Because my first target is here. Okay, my first target is here. Okay, but the price didn't touch, so I think that price you know, will try to you will try to reach this level. And also, if you look at the one minute chart, okay, you can see that price breaks the significant low in 1 minute. Okay, price break the significant low in 1 minute. So in overall trend, okay, so I think that price will drop even more. So let me do a quick guys, let me do some setting first. Clear, clean and clear. guys, it's white color, okay? White color, oh, white color. All right, clean and clear. Nice, nice one. Okay, clean and clear. And okay, so guys, you can see that the price hit this, the golden level. Okay, the golden level. Okay, the golden level. So one more time. I've been following this mentor for almost 11 years and almost profit every time. Oh damn, the price surge, price is surging. Never mind, never mind. Because just now I made around 900 USD, almost 900. It's nearly around 1,000. So one lot for me is okay. Okay, one lot for me is okay. Sure, now I have already entered. Yeah, so you know what I'm saying. Yeah. I enter already, guys. I enter already. And you can see that the price price touched the the 0.618. Okay, it's a golden level to trade. Okay, so you can take a chance. You can try here. Okay, actually you can try here. But you need to, guys, you need to know, right? Okay, if the price break this level, then I will let it stop loss, and then I will take another chance here. Okay, I will take another chance here. Hmm. Looks good. Okay, looks good. So that's why I set my stop loss here. Okay, I set my stop loss here because the price cannot break this resistance level. If it breaks, okay, price may go some more. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Never mind. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys. It is part. It is part of the trading. Okay. It is part of the trading. So never mind. As long as we can profit in the long run, then this kind of the small losses. Okay. It is the small business, a piece of cake. A piece of cake. Oh damn. God damn, man. So you guys can see that, okay, the price reject, okay, reject this area, okay. You can see that the price reject this area, so which means that there's a buying power here. Buying power comes in already. So that's why the candle reject this area, okay. So it means that the price the price possible will touch this area, okay, touch this, 0.786. You see there's a long wick here, there's a long wick. So now we may open a buy position. I need to wait for the structure to I need to wait for the structure to form first, because there is no structure in 1 minute. There is no structure in 1 minute. And then better, better, guys. This is just a normal trading, because not everybody will earn. I stop loss too. Just now you guys can see I also stop loss, but so that's why I say that your risk management is very important. Okay, your risk management is very important. So just wait for the next opportunity and then try another time. Okay. So guys, this is just a part of trading, because you won't have 100% win rate. Actually, you won't have a 100% win rate unless you are the big player. You are the people who control the market. Then you can say that, oh, I'm the all win player. Okay. Unless you are the people who control the market. See, Chinese New Year is coming soon, and I want to have more pocket money. Yeah, guys, next week is our, the Chinese New Year. I'm get ready to go back to my hometown already. Guys, you can see that the price pump very high. Never mind, we look at the silver first, see whether it got chance to do, whether the price. Yeah, guys, risk management is the most important lesson. Yeah, if you didn't, if you didn't have if you didn't do your risk management properly, then even though you have a best trading strategy ever, what you will also lose your money. You also will blow up your account. Okay, so we look at the silver first. Okay, so let me analyze silver. Okay, because just now I didn't talk about, silver. Okay, so I think that silver also same with the gold. Okay, you can see that in the bigger trend, in the bigger trend or the long-term trend, you can see that price still form this, consolidation. But if you look it properly, you can see that actually the price form the, the uptrend structure. So the trend in the midterm and the long term is the uptrend. Okay, so for the silver also same. Okay, you can see there's a same pattern here. Okay, you can see that price form the higher high and a higher low. Okay, this is a uptrend structure. This is a uptrend structure. So which means that in the midterm and the long term, price may goes up. Okay, the price may goes up, but in the short term, I think that price will retrace first. Okay, because what? Because first in 5 minutes or even though in 15 minutes, you can see that here is the downtrend structure. Okay, so as long as the price didn't break this significant high, so I think that the price will drop or retrace in short term. Okay, I think the price will drop and or retrace in short term. Okay, and yeah, for if you look at the 5 minute chart, okay, if you look at the 5 minute chart, okay, so we can see that the price still didn't break this significant high. Then the price, okay, price break this significant low here. Because what? Because you can see that price is the this you guys can see this candle or not? Okay, price has already closed below this line, this support line. Okay, so which means that the price officially break this significant low. Okay, and for the third, okay, here is the 5 minute resistance. Here's the 5 minute resistance. 5 minute resistance. So yeah, I think that the price will drop in the short term. Okay, in the short term. Okay, for now, so let's compare the gold and the silver. I need to wait for a 1 minute chart to form this downtrend pattern. Okay, downtrend pattern. If there is no downtrend structure, in 1 minute, then I won't take action. Okay, I won't take action. So yeah, okay. And you can see that the okay. So the gold price start to touch this 1 minute resistance. Okay, so which means that it had it has two possible outcomes. So either the price break and then continues to fly, or price retrace. But you can see that here is the you know there's an uptrend structure. It is a potential uptrend structure because why? The price start to challenge this resistance level.
Hip hangout discovered. Good. Cool album found. Great. Kinder Bueno. Mmm. With its smooth milk chocolate, crispy wafer, creamy hazelnut filling, lifting life's best.
Okay, so you can see that the price fly. I hope the gold to go down, but it goes up for now. It goes up. What? Focus on trading, stop chatting, guys. Okay. But guys, you all guys, you know, you guys can discuss lah. Okay. Actually, you can discuss lah. Okay. Chit chat is okay lah. I think chit chat is okay because we, you know, we changing our thoughts. Yeah. Hmm. Here's the resistance. Okay, for the EUR/USD, right? So here's the resistance level. So you can see that the price didn't break this resistance level in 5 minutes. So I think that price will retrace, but in overall the price of EUR/USD is still in the you know the uptrend. Okay, because you can see that even though you can see you can see that the 5 minute chart or even though the 1 minute chart, okay, price form a uptrend structure. Okay, so means that the buyers of you know, buyer power is here. Buyer power, buying power is here. GBP USD. Okay, the GBP USD. Alright guys, see price keep, you know, keep surging, keep keep go keep going up. Okay, so yeah. Oh, okay, gold price. Oh yeah, guys. So later on you can see that later on there's a there's a data will be announced in at 9:30, which is the initial jobless claim. Okay, so it is you know, the labor market data too. Okay, so for me, right, I think that the labor market, see, because what? Because we since we look at you know, the NFP data, right? Okay, you can see that the NFP data has increased, okay, which is better than expected. Okay, and the unemployment rate in January is better than the expected. Okay, it's better than expected. So which means that the labor market is strong. Okay, so which means that if the labor market is strong, right? So which means that the unemployment rate is decreased. Okay, so you can see that yesterday the unemployment rate data is below than expected. Okay, which is better. Okay, which is better. So if the unemployment rate is below than expected, right, or decrease, right? So which means that the initial jobless claim should be biologically it should be below than expected. Okay, because what? Because the initial jobless claim is one of the is some kind of unemployment rate data. Because what? If because what is the meaning of the the initial jobless claim? So the meaning of the initial jobless claim is that when you are when you are I mean you are unemployed. Okay, if you are unemployed, so you can you can register for some. So for the in Chinese, what we call is the the 援助金. Okay, you can register for the 援助金. Okay, just it's something like let me think about the English word. Okay, the 援助金. Okay, which means that you can register for the money that the government will give you the money to let you survive. Yeah, you can register for it. Okay, so this is what we call the initial jobless claim. Okay, you can maybe you can claim the money, and the government will give you this kind of this money. Then you can survive first. Okay, you can survive first, then you can look for another job. Okay, yeah, this is the initial jobless claim. What is the meaning? This is the meaning of the the initial jobless claim. Okay, right, never mind, it's okay. All right, okay, so you guys can take a look. Okay, so later on there's initial jobless claim will be announced in 9:30. Okay, so be careful. Okay, be careful. All right, guys, the gold price start to drop. Okay, gold price start to drop. So we look at a 15-minute chart. Okay, so let's see, still got 2 minutes. Okay, still got 2 minutes. Okay, the silver price start to drop. Okay, so I will wait for the gold. Okay, if the gold price can drop this level, then I may take a sell again. Then I may take a sell again. See, so this is why that's why I'm saying that I want to see a downtrend structure in for the silver in 1 minute. Okay, because what? Because it's still in the uptrend. Okay, it's still in the uptrend. Sorry, I don't understand. Oh no. Okay, let me do a quick example. Okay, let me do a quick example. Okay, okay. Just imagine that. Just imagine that you. Just imagine that you are unemployed. All right. Okay. So you are unemployed. Then you have no income, right? Okay. You guys have no income. So how you survive? You have no money to survive, right? Because you have no job and this kind of things. Okay. So this is bad for the country, because if you have no job there, which means that there is a lot of, if there is not a lot of people have no job, right? So which means that the economy, it will link to the economy of the country. It will destroy the economy, the country economy. Okay, so So like the government cannot let this happen, you know. The government will not let this happen. So what he will do, okay? Okay. So the government will say that, okay, if you are unemployed, then you come here, and then you come here, and then I give you money. Okay. Yeah, it's this kind of concept, you know. You come here, you say just now you unemployment, you are unemployed, right? Okay, never mind, I give you money, then I let you survive first, then you go for the then you go and look for another job. You quickly find another job. This is the meaning of, you know, the initial jobless claim, because the government give you the money to survive when you are unemployed. Okay, is that clear? Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Or you guys didn't care about the data, or what? You guys just want to trade only? Okay, guys. So very important. It's very important that, okay, you can see that price start touching this. You know, the 5 minute, yeah, 5 minute and the 15 minute significant high here. Okay, so it's very important now, because it's the moment that the the price may spike up later. Okay, it's a very important moment. So let me take a look. Okay, okay, nice, quick movement. Okay, so guys, let me sell silver first. Okay, guys, I sell silver. Okay, let's look for the gold. Okay, if the price can drop even more, because just now I say that here is the key level, you know, the 5071 is the key level. If the price can break this, you know, the significant low or the lower level or the support level, okay, only that I short, only that I will short gold. Okay, all right, so the silver price goes down. Okay, so let's wait for the gold. Okay, let's wait for the gold. Okay, almost, guys, almost. Okay, so look at the gold. I want to see the price break, you know. Okay, so Gold also sell now. I didn't sell yet. Okay, I didn't sell yet. I'm still waiting for the signal. I'm still waiting for the signal. I'm waiting that the price break this, the 5071 support. Okay, but almost. Okay, almost. Come on, go. Come on. Right. Guys, the price didn't break this support. So I only trade. So just now I only enter silver only. But the price still consolidating. So let's look for another trading opportunity, see whether we can trade, the currency pair or not. Okay, so look at the URUSD first. So let me do a quick analysis. Okay, since this resistance level has been broken, so for me that I think I will buy, I will buy URUSD. Because what? Because the significant high has already broken. Okay, it officially formed, a higher, the higher high. Okay, the higher high. So for me, right, for the EURUSD, I think that I will wait for the, the retracement, and after that, I think that I will buy here. Okay, I think that I will buy here. So same with the, you see the GBP USD also same. Okay, you can see that the significant high has been broken, or the previous high has been broken. Then the price spike. Okay, price spike. Boom. So for this one, right? So I will wait for the retracement also, then buy. So I want to wait for the retracement first. So let's look at the the silver and the gold. Oh no, the price consolidating. Hmm. What I do just now is I move my stop loss. Just now I set my stop loss here, then I move my stop loss here. Okay. This is a great move. Damn. If I buy here, then I get the profit here, guys. Damn. It's a good move. Nice move. My gosh, look at the oil. Look at the oil, guys. I think I will add a hey, no. Okay. BDC. Alright, guys. It comes back. If the price can break, the silver, if the price break this lower level, think I will take one more. think I will take one more. Alright, guys, goes almost, okay, almost break the support level. Damn, why it didn't break? Damn, man. So guys, trading is like that one. Trading is like that one. If there is no opportunity, then you have to wait. But if the opportunity has come, then you you know, just enter. All right, guys. Come on, go. Yes. Finally, damn. Okay, I sell gold just now. Okay, you can see that the price break the support level. Okay, so I take a sell. I take a sell now. Okay, so wait for the price to move. Okay, wait for the price to move. Okay, see whether it can go to the level what we want. Okay, so guys, I go to toilet first. So let me have a toilet break. Okay, so let me take a toilet break for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, I will come back later. Okay, I will come back shortly. Okay, so guys, wait for me. Alright guys, I'm back. Okay, so let's see how is it going. Oh, okay, so the silver hit my break-even point. Okay, silver hit my break-even point. Okay, so you know what? It's okay. At least I got gold. Okay, gold finally dropped. Damn good. Yeah, this is what I want to see. Damn. That's a silver TP level, and it already hit my break even point. So yeah, can I set TP at 5068? Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. It's not a problem. As long as you got a profit, then you can take profit already. Yeah. The market is moving too fast. Profit can turn into a loss in short period of time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's why just now what I shared to you guys just now, I always set, you know, break even point. Okay, break even or the safety pin. Yeah, just now I saying about. So you can put it down your, the stop loss. You can adjust the stop loss level if the price move to your move to the direction you want. Okay, actually you can set the break even point or the safety pin. Okay, my first target for the goal, I think there's silver. Okay, silver break even. So okay, okay, price retest this support level. Okay, first target is here. Okay, if you are short-term trader, right, first target is here. At least for the goal wants to come here. If the goal wants to come here, hmm, oops, it seems that it don't wants to come down. Oh, guys. Okay, so the goal stop up. Okay, but I didn't lost much, just a little bit. So okay, still okay, still okay. I still have some profit to to do my trading. Okay, because I have profit around 900 just now, so I still can use my profit to. I still got a buffer. I still got a buffer to lose. At least today, I still earn today with my result. Okay, I still got any earning. I still got earning. I still got some profits. Okay. Damn shit. The price hit my stop loss and hit my break even point, then come down again. The goal also same. Okay, guys, the movement slow down already. Okay. All right, guys. If guys, is there any question to ask? If there is no question, then I will end up this live session. Then I will pass it to my partner. Okay, I'll pass it to my partner, and he will continue the live stream session at 6 o'clock. Okay, at 6 o'clock. So I will end up this session, and then I will let him do the setup first. Okay. So guys, if any question to ask, then you may ask in the group and the chat box here. I think that there's no. I think that's all for today, lah. Okay. I think that's all for today. Then yeah, because there's no volume now. There's no volume now. The price keep go up and down, up and down. There's no clear direction. Just one. Okay, like just now. Okay. I like this kind of movement. Very smooth, nice movement. Now you can see that no movement. And there's a movement, but the movement very very consolidate. Okay, up down, up down, up down. I hate this kind of movement. No, still learning. Okay, yeah, all right. So if there's no question, then I will end up this live session. All right. Okay. So guys, thank you for joining my live session for today. Yeah. Okay. So thank you for supporting me and Aurex. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. Next live session. So later on later on my partner will carry on. Okay. Later on my partner will carry on. So the next section live stream will start in 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock. Okay. So I will pass the live session to him. Okay. So let him do the setup first. Then later on we see you again in 6 o'clock. Okay. We see you again in 6 o'clock. When is the next live session? 6 o'clock. Okay. 6 o'clock. Okay. 6 o'clock. Okay. 6 o'clock. All right. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. So if you like our channel, so subscribe. You guys can subscribe to our channel. Okay. So guys, remember that join our community now. Okay. Join our community. All right. If you want to learn trading or trade with us, then just join our community. Okay. So contact my admin, then he will let you know about more about our community. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So see you guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. So quan掉ha. OK 吗？加一个 subscriber。好啊。